What if your life depended on starting a fire in the middle of a storm with one hand? Today, we're building the ultimate pull-pin fire starter. Compact, waterproof, and dead simple to use. In the backcountry, a fire isn't just comfort, it's survival. Warmth, food, signaling, protection. But what if your matches are soaked, your lighter's dead? That's where the pull-pin fire starter comes in. A rugged, ready-on-demand tool you can rely on when everything else fails. Here's what you need to build yours. All lightweight, budget-friendly, and field-tested. You'll also want a fire-resistant surface, gloves, and good airflow. Safety first. Step 1. Hollow out the party popper shell, keeping the spring and pull pin intact. Step 2. Layer in magnesium shavings and tinder near the ignition base. Step 3. Insert match heads or ferro pieces close to the striking point. Step 4. Compress contents with foil or wool to reduce air gaps. Step 5. Seal the end with duct tape, leaving the pull pin visible. Step 6. Wrap in waterproof material. Then test the resistance of the pin. One pull, one spark, no fumbling, no failure. This fire starter works even when soaked, frozen, or operated one-handed. In survival, reliability matters more than complexity. This DIY pull-pin fire starter, it's simple, brutal, effective, and it could save your life. Prepare now, because someday it won't be just practice.